me trying to do another hiccup video. I'm gonna be trying to hiccup in this video, but I really don't know if I have any more. Okay, I'm gonna turn my lights over. Yeah. In school, it was like a green day since it's St. Patrick's Day, but it might not be when you see the video. So that why I'm in green. And if you're curious what I'm doing, I'm just doing something. I don't know, but if you were saw my adoption video too, I don't know which one is gonna come out, my adoption or this one, but so I got a Frostfurry. If I don't know which one is coming first, I got a Frostfurry, Fireball, and Flyball, and that came out to 1,245. And what I want, a ride potion, a fly potion for my cotton candy pet, basically for my channel, a Cerbo, the 3-headed wolf, and some lavender, basically. I made up the chunk, yeah. And that all comes out to 1,144. So I'm definitely overpaying at least like 100, basically. So yeah. I still got them. Oh, and also during school, I hiccuped like 12 times. And I tried to breathe, and also some spit was coming up, and I almost threw up a little. And that did not feel good. And then I felt a little wheezy. But then everything went back to normal, and I felt fine. But that's something what traumatic happened. I'm just trying to breathe. Lucky, lucky, and a lucky charm thing. I'm filming. Good time. Because I just had to tell my mom something, so yeah. But I felt one coming, so she went, and then I unplugged Space Shape. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I am. I don't. Yeah. And also, as you can see, my fan is really colorful. It's like you can see that pop of color. Over here is my pink wall. Behind me is my blue wall. Then my curtain, my purple curtains, and then my purple ceiling. And also, look at what I got for teal. I got this teal bow, what can go like this, I think. And then I got a teal scrunchie. I got a ton of hiccups. And then I got this. I've had this forever. So yeah. And I got this like a few months ago, not for sure. Then I just got this like a few days ago. So yeah. And also, my birthday's in 10 days. But in time watching it, probably gonna be 9 or 8. Not for sure. As everyone knows, my birthday's on the 27th, but we don't really post it on birthday. We kind of post it a day after my birthday if we do videos like that. I got a lot of hiccups. And also, if you're curious what this is right here, it's just my homework. I got spelling homework. So yeah, I'm just writing my words. And the only word what I can remember is utopia. I'm not looking at this at all. It's COOPHOBIA. Yeah. And then I double checked. That's the only word but I can remember. I have all these words. They're so long. They're like 10 to 8 long words. And I think I have no more hiccups. So yeah. Well, I hope you like the hiccup video. Because I know a lot of people want hiccup videos. So I'm just like trying to do whatever you guys want. Because I feel like to be a YouTuber, you sometimes have to do what your fan wants. So you can grow bigger. So yeah, a ton of people want my hiccup video. So yeah. And also if you have any quests of games you want me to play, just comment them below. Oh. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like. I don't know why I didn't like, subscribe, but turn on that notification bell. Ding ding. And I'll see you guys next time. Woo!